Hello viewers, in this video I want to expose the content of what we call dry gin produced from the industry. You know that dry gin is what we call ethanol, and you know that when we say ethanol we mean alcohol. Where I'm trying to drive you to is the fact that the ethanol in dry gin also contains tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. This acid impurity is inevitably part of the dry gin, because the same acid was used as a catalyst that catalyzed the reaction process. In the industry, production of ethanol is through what is called hydrolysis of ethene. So hydrolysis means breaking down of ethene with water. This breaking down is catalyzed by the presence of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. Now, this is ethene molecule. They will first bring a catalyst, tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. The presence of this acid will cause this double bond to break. And once this happens, the acid will donate one of its hydrogen ions. There are two hydrogen ions. It will donate one to this ethene. And this is what we are going to have. Single bond now. And then hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6 will attach itself here. This is a kind of intermediate. It is called ethyl hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6. It is this intermediate that will now interact with water, and water will donate OH group to this ethyl group, and the other H in water will join this hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6 to recreate the catalyst tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. But I'm going to represent this water using its structural formula. Now what happens is that this bond is going to break, and this bond in water will also break. The OH part of water will fix itself here, and we are going to have this. Plus HSO4 will interact with H, and we have H2SO4. Now, what is the implication of this reaction? In the industry, instead of forming just ethanol, this is ethanol. The ethanol produced will naturally exist with the catalyst that catalyzed the reaction. Remember, this is the catalyst. And now the catalyst has been reproduced. Remember, catalyst cannot be consumed during the course of a reaction. It will just catalyze the reaction and come out unconsumed. Now, this catalyst that comes out unconsumed mixes with the main product. And in the industry, what they do is to try to perform separation techniques and remove the acid. But my worry is that this acid is not removed 100%. If you carry out a chemical test on dry gin, you will still see this. And of course, if you check the label, it is written 90-something% ethanol, meaning that there are other things there. And no matter how small this acid impurity is, it has a tremendous effect in your body physiology. Because of this, avoid taking dry gin. If you can do that, do it. It will help you. If you cannot do that, make sure that the kai you are taking is the one produced through fermentation. We also have the local production, where they carry out fractional distillation on a palm wine. And through this process, the ethanol content of the palm wine is extracted. That one is free from acids like this. But remember, ethanol itself is carcinogenic. It causes cancer. Recently, I just found out that no amount of ethanol is even safe. So I just did this video to create an awareness. If you are a consumer of ethanol, here is the fact. If you are not a consumer, here is also the fact. But if you found this video useful, click on like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.